all about the applications of the OpenCV. Now we will see the table of the content today, what we are going to study. So we are going to see how we can read the image, write the image, display it, what are the color spaces in an OpenCV. Yeah, we will go with it. Here it's unsupervised and supervised, unsupervised learning, right? Differentiating image colors. We will cover it in our stages. Okay. So image processing. So we will mainly talk about the image processing part in our OpenCV. So we will see how to read the image, how to write it, what are the color spaces, what is resizing, rotation, how we can do it, what's the necessity of doing the resizing, rotation, what is thresholding, image enhancement in our OpenCV, blurring, edge detection, contour detection, bitwise operation in our OpenCV, morphological operation in our OpenCV. And at the end of the session, we will cover two applications of the OpenCV. The first is face detection. The second is road lane detection, which we use in the self-driving cars. So moving forward. So reading, writing, and displaying of the image. So human being has a capability to see the image. So you see this image, the neuron got fired in your brain. So it says, yeah, it's a green capsicum. But how a computer can see the image? I guess everyone knows that the answer. So the answer is array of the pixels. So this is the pic. The computer can see, yes, this is a pic, and we have a array of the pixels corresponding to this pic. The computer doesn't know whether this is a capsicum or this is a banana or anything else, but it knows that this is the image, and we have an array of pixels corresponding to that. So the first stage to building any classifier is to read the image. So how we can read it? So in OpenCV, we have a IMRead function that help us to read the image, and IMSo function to output the image. We will see the implementation part also along with. So since this is a RGB image, it has 3 channels. The one go for R, the second is for B, and third is for green. RGB stand for red, green, and blue. So this part of the image has these pixels, right? So moving forward. So this is how we can implement it. So first we need to import the OpenCV library. How we can do the import? We can import the CV2. Here I import the CV2 as CV. The command we basically use for import the library is CV. I guess I know you guys are aware of that. So this is the image. I specified, you have to specify the path of the image, and this is, and you can use IMSo to show the image. So this is how the image looks like. So the most important thing is the IMRead function in the OpenCV read image in a VGR format. We have other libraries also. Other libraries use RGB format, like Matplotlib use RGB format. So that is the important thing to remember, that IMRead function read image in a VGR format. We can also pass extra flags in IMRead function in order if you want to if you want to read the image in different format. So we have cv2.imread underscore color, that is a default, and imread underscore grayscale, that is if you want to read the image in a grayscale format. So, and this is imread underscore unchanged. So basically, if your image have some sort of transparency in it, then you need to include one more additional channel that is called alpha channel. So that's where we use the imread underscore unchanged flag. So this is all